In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to start from a proven template, confirm it's added to the right place, and set yourself up with helpful automations so your plan stays organized. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one. Then head to the space where you want this project to live. So from there, open the space settings. This ensures your plan is created in the right location with the right people and defaults attached to it. If you don't see space settings, you may need admin or space manager permissions. Inside space settings, look for templates and choose Browse Templates. Templates are your fastest path to a structured plan because they include lists, views, task statuses, and fields that are already organized for planning. In the template library, use the search bar and type Project Plan. You'll see several options designed for different use cases. Click into a template to preview its structure. Check the included lists, statuses, custom fields, and views like list, board, or Gantt so you know what you're importing. When you found the one that matches your workflow, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to choose exactly where to place it in your space and what to bring in, such as tasks, descriptions, and custom fields. This is a good moment to confirm due date behavior and whether to include assignees, especially if you're reusing a plan from a previous project. When you're ready, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will import the template and build out your plan. Depending on the size, this may take a moment. Next, go to your inbox and open the tutorial section. Inbox is a helpful place to see system notifications, onboarding items, or tips related to what you've just created. Click the highlighted notification or task to jump straight into the details of your new project plan and verify everything imported correctly. Now, if your workspace uses ClickUp AI, open the AI area and select Create Agent. An agent can help summarize plans, draft milestones, or keep stakeholders updated. Follow the on-screen prompts, then click the highlighted button to finalize setup and connect it to your space. Give it a clear purpose and scope so it adds value without noise. That's it. You opened ClickUp, used a project plan template, confirmed it via inbox, and set up an AI agent to support execution. Customize fields and views, share the plan with your team, and you're ready to start delivering.